Last summer, I watched half my vegetable garden get destroyed by pests, and I did nothing because I didn't know what to do. This year, not a single plant lost. The difference was one simple spray I made in my kitchen for almost nothing. Stick with me because I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. Here's the truth: most gardeners learn the hard way. Pests don't just nibble a few leaves and move on. They stunt your plant's growth, damage stems, and worst of all, they spread diseases that can wipe out an entire garden in days. And they team up. Ants, for example, actually protect aphids and feed off their secretions. So if you ignore one pest, you often end up with two problems. This one natural spray tackles them all: aphids, caterpillars, snails, ants, Colorado potato beetles, mites, whiteflies, and even moles, mice, and rats. You'll need just 4 ingredients in about 10 minutes. First, 1 tablespoon of hot red pepper powder added to half a liter of warm water. Pepper contains capsaicin, which causes a burning sensation in insects. The moment they sense it, their nervous system is disrupted and they retreat fast. It also protects against mollusks and biting insects. Next, half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Garlic's powerful smell and its active compound allicin send aphids, caterpillars, thrips, and mosquitoes running. And as a bonus, garlic acts as a natural antiseptic, helping protect your plants against bacterial and fungal disease too. Then, half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Don't underestimate this one. Cinnamon's essential oils create a barrier most insects simply cannot tolerate. It also fights fungal problems like mold and rot, so you're protecting your plants on two fronts at once. Finally, 1 tablespoon of organic liquid soap. This is the ingredient that makes everything else work harder. Soap breaks down the protective outer layer of insects on contact, interfering with their breathing and movement. It also helps the spray stick to plant surfaces so it stays active longer instead of washing off. Mix everything together, then let it sit for a few hours so the ingredients fully combine and the active compounds infuse into the water. After that, strain the mixture and dilute it with another half liter of water. Spray your plants every 2 to 3 days, covering the tops and undersides of leaves. You'll notice results quickly. That's it. 4 ingredients, 10 minutes, and your garden has a natural shield against the most common pests out there. If this was useful to you, share it with a fellow gardener, because the best remedies are the ones that get passed on. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know where you're watching from. And I will see you in the next video on just 1 tablespoon in water and all plants explode with growth.